JobZilla is a platform that connects job seekers with potential employers, similar to other popular job search websites like Indeed or Monster. However, it's crucial to verify the legitimacy of any platform before engaging in online activities. To make money online with JobZilla in 2024, follow these steps. Research and verify. First, ensure that JobZilla is a legitimate platform by searching for credible reviews and ratings. If it's not a well-known platform, consider other options that have a proven track record. Create an account. If JobZilla is indeed a legitimate platform, create an account by providing accurate personal and professional information. Optimize your profile. Make your profile stand out by including relevant skills, experience, and achievements. A well-crafted profile can increase your chances of getting noticed by potential employers. Apply for jobs. Regularly search for job openings that match your skills and experience. Apply for suitable positions and tailor your application to meet the employer's requirements. Network. Connect with professionals in your field on JobZilla and other platforms like LinkedIn. Networking can help you learn about new job opportunities and gain valuable insights. Enhance your skills. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge in your field. This will make you more attractive to potential employers and open up more job opportunities. Be patient and persistent. Finding a job can take time, so be patient and keep applying for suitable positions. Don't get discouraged if you don't hear back immediately. Consider other online income sources. If you're struggling to find job opportunities on JobZilla, consider exploring other ways to make money online, such as freelancing, affiliate marketing, or creating and selling digital products. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your job search progress and adjust your strategies if necessary. Analyze what's working and what's not, and make changes accordingly. Stay informed. Keep up to date with industry trends and job market changes. This will help you adapt your job search strategy and increase your chances of success. Remember, making money online with any platform requires dedication, hard work, and patience. Always prioritize your safety and security while engaging in online activities.